That's right, your neighbour just opened his door without using his keys. Meet LOQED, the smart lock that opens your door with a single touch. Delivered straight to your doorstep and easy to install, all by yourself. Connect LOQED to all your smart home devices. Use the app to send digital keys to your friends and family. The Lock tab also allows you to control who opens your door remotely. You can send a temporary key to anyone you wish. Open your door in any situation. You'll never have to look for your keys again. Our smart lock will know when you're near and unlock the door for you, time and time again. Unless you've forgotten to charge your phone. Luckily, there's always the option to manually open the lock using your personalized code. Open your door with a single touch. Any touch. Literally any touch. Our lock received the highest achievable security certificate. Hackers and burglars don't stand a chance. LOQED opens doors.